I just found a pattern on Plug Power's stock chart that suggests very bullish activity going forward. I think we're heading higher on this one. Let's take a look. What's up everyone, I'm Brad. Welcome to the Money Dad channel. In this video we are talking Plug Power, ticker PLUG. There's a stock chart pattern on its stock chart that I think suggests some bullish activity. So if you like stock chart pattern analysis, stocks, stock market, personal finance, Bitcoin, things like that, and you're not a subscriber, consider hitting that subscribe button. Come join this thing. I put out stock price prediction videos based on stock chart. Wow, that's tough to say. Based on stock chart pattern analysis a couple times a week. I also have a community Robinhood portfolio that I update once a week. I put $100 into that every week, and you guys vote on which stock I buy in the comments on that one. So we're doing some fun stuff here on this channel, so hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet. Okay, let's jump into this Plug Power stock chart. Okay, I've got Plug Power, ticker PLUG, pulled up on the screen. I am zoomed out pretty good because I want to give you a perspective of where we have come from. If you have been holding this stock for a year now, then you bought in the $2 range, and today we are trading in the $26 range. So a 10-bagger on your money, 1,000%. Congratulations if you've been holding it for a year. That is amazing. But if you haven't been holding it for a year, if you just got in, or if you're on the sidelines thinking about getting in, I've got some good news for you too. There is some pretty bullish activity on this stock chart pattern, and we are looking here. I've already got it laid out for you guys, a bull flag. So you got the flagpole right here, you got the flag part, and that suggests continued upside activity, right? We are in a bull trend on this stock. That is super bullish, right? We are going from the bottom left to the top right. That is bullish. So in a bull trend, a bull flag is a continuation pattern, meaning it suggests the price action is going to continue to the upside. And what's really cool about this is we can set a price target. We can actually predict where this is probably going to go. Not 100%, none of this stuff is 100%, but more often than not, we can set a price target based on the size of the flag, and we can almost predict where the stock price is going to go. So let's go ahead and do this. This is actually really easy. You take the flagpole, copy it, paste it, and then you start it at the beginning of the next bull run. So you see we have a bull run right here that created this flagpole, a little consolidation period where we took some profits, right? And then we started our next bull run right there at the bottom of the flag. So we start this new flagpole right at the bottom of where our bull run started. So we put it there, and look, we get $37.01. It's as easy as that. That is our price target, $37.01, and we're currently trading just under 27. So you're talking about $10 of upside on a $27 stock. So what is that, like 30% upside potential from here? I mean, that is pretty dang good. And we're talking, I mean, we're not even talking about a lot of time either. This might take a couple weeks, 3 weeks, maybe a month to play out. You know, if we want to be conservative about it, maybe it takes 2 months at the very most, but I don't think it'll take that long. I think we're going to get a Santa Claus rally, and this is going to rally with it. So we'll probably see our $37 price target hit in December, maybe early January. Pretty confident on this one. The only thing that worries me is this pretty large red candle that we put in today. This was look, you can see 7% to the downside today. So a little bit worrying, but the reason I'm not terribly worried about it is look at the day before. My goodness, we had a 16% upside day the day before. So even though we had a 7% drop today, the trend is still up because the candle from the day before was just so massive that it really kind of makes this 7% drop kind of look small, which is kind of ridiculous when you think about it. I mean, we lost 7% today on this stock. That is huge, right? This is a big swing. But when you make 16% the day before, look, anytime you make 16% on a stock in one day, you almost have to expect a little bit of profit taking the day after, right? People want to cash in on that 16%, take some money out, maybe go maybe go buy some Christmas presents or something, who knows. But I mean, you still got to be happy with it, right? You make 16%, you give up 7, so you still net gain 9%, right? Did I do that math right? 9% to the upside in that move. So the trend is still up. And look at this massive volume on that giant green candlestick. That, I mean, you really want to see stuff like that. So that's pretty awesome. So not terribly worried about this red candlestick that we put in today. Now, all that said, if we see a pretty big down day tomorrow on this stock chart, that is going to do some serious technical damage to this pattern. I would almost say it's going to wreck this pattern and this price target and this price prediction. So as long as we don't have a huge down day tomorrow, I think we're fine. If it's just a tiny down day, it's probably fine. If we're flat, it's fine. If we're up, we're definitely doing good. So all those things are okay. But if we have a big down day tomorrow, we start to see this price start to come down like that, it's going to do a lot of technical damage. I don't know that this price target of $37 will still be in play. We would have to wait another couple days to see if the trend reverses back up to the upside. So we'd need to wait a little bit there. So I'm going to probably buy into this stock tomorrow afternoon. I'll probably wait to see how this stock plays out tomorrow. As long as we continue to the upside, and really the only reason I'm waiting on that is because we had like a pretty decent down day today. So I just want to make sure that this trend is still up. But yeah, all that said, I am planning on buying this stock tomorrow and playing this target price of $37 because that is a lot of upside. We got 30% upside on this stock over the next month or so. I want to be in on that. I'm going to be putting my money where my mouth is on this one. I am in a couple of stocks that I've made videos on, so I'm waiting for some of these stock price targets to play out, and then I will make videos to follow up on if these predictions were accurate or not. I just made a video, for example, on my Tesla prediction that came true. I made one on Bitcoin when that came true. So as these predictions start to unfold, I will make videos to follow up on, hey, this happened or it didn't happen. This is, and this is why. So stick around for those. That's all I got for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like button, leave a comment down below. I'll see you there and in the next video. Bye, guys.